Hello students, let us move to the next part of this poem. In solemn pride he stands aloft and greets each venture with reproof. Means in solemn pride means he is looking very serious, grand or important. And he greets each venture, he greets each dangerous situation with reproof, means criticizing the situation. Instead of criticizing the situation, we should try to overcome the problems. See the next stanza. Had he the power, he would efface the history of the human race. That means if such people were given the power, they would efface. Efface means what? Erase or remove the history of the human race. You know that history of the human race means man had passed dangerous situations from ancient times itself. That time he used to live in forest. Afterwards, slowly he made progress, and the technology we are enjoying today is the result of the progress made by man. And if such people, which people? The man who says it can't be done, if we give such people the power, they would erase all the history of the human race. See the next stanza. We would have no radio, motor cars, no street lit by electric stars. That means the progress, technological developments in the form of radio, motor cars, street lights, all things we are not able to see if such people were lived on the earth. No telegraph, no telephone, we would linger in the age of stone. If we give such people, that means the person who says it can't be done, who does not make any efforts, who every time that man criticizes, what would happen such situation? There would be no telegraph, no telephone, that means there is no technological developments. We would linger. Linger here means stay or remain. We would remain in the age of stone, means stone age period. That means there was no electricity, nothing was there. He had to struggle a lot. The world would sleep if things were run by men who say it can't be done. Means the poet says that the world would sleep, the world would remain stagnant if things were run by means what? If the things were administered by such men who had a negative approach to life, saying it can't be done. So it is a passive optimistic poem. How should we look towards our life in a positive manner? We face dangerous situations, or we have to face risk at every part of or at every stage of our life. But we have to face this situation with our braveness and strong willpower, and one day we will get success. Thank you, students.